What's up, guys? It's your boy Julius with Exclusive. I just wanted to let you guys know something real quick. I know I introduced Project Jixer, and Project Jixer will be going, like I said in my intro video, I'll be doing builds, customs, product reviews, and I'll also be doing repairs. So I will be uploading a couple videos during this week of repairs that I just did, but Project Jixer still is underway, so don't be confused as to why I'm showing this. This is just going to be part of the channel. I do repairs for other people on their vehicles and stuff like that, so just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Quick video, quick information. I will try to figure out this playlist thing. I'm new to this whole thing, so I'll try to have it in a separate playlist. So Project Jixer, I think I'm gonna call those episodes Build Not Bought. I think that's what we're gonna do. Project Jixer Build Not Bought series. So yeah, that series is gonna be on a playlist. My repairs will be on another playlist, just random repairs to people that I do. If I feel like it's a good video or good, information to be out there, that's gonna be on a separate playlist. So yeah, Project Jixer is still coming, but a couple of repairs will be coming up this week. All right, so cool. Just wanted to let you guys know. Hope you're having a good one, and keep watching. Real quick, since it's just a quick video, I want to say thanks to my subscribers. I think I had 20. Some of them dropped off, so I'm at 17, but hey, it's whatever. I am happy. I'm recording this because I love it. I love working on stuff, so it's not anything that I'm looking for, but I just want to say thanks to the people that subscribe, the people that are watching, the people that are liking, commenting. I really do appreciate it, and I hope you stay tuned. And if you see something that you see that I can be better at, or do better, whatever it may be, or if it's something you just want to know, you would like to see me work on, please feel free to let me know. Okay, thanks again. Y'all have a good one. See you later. Stay tuned for Project Jixer.